Hulu is an American streaming platform. Launched on October 29, 2007, it offers a library of films and television series from networks such as CBS, ABC, NBC, or FX, as well as Hulu original content. Hulu is currently only available in the United States. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into your Hulu account. So if you want to find out how you can do so, then make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. First of all, open the app Hulu. Once loaded, tap on the option Login. Now you'll be provided with two options. You can either log in with Hulu or log in with TV provider. Here I'll be logging in with Hulu. Now you need to enter your email address associated with your account and then enter the password. Once you have done that, tap on login and that's it. You'll be logged into your Hulu account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.